Hey everyone, it's Josh at Kenworth of Richfield, and today we're talking about this 2019 Kenworth T680 day cab. This truck uses a Paccar MX-13 engine that puts 455 horsepower and 1,650 foot-pounds of torque through the Paccar automated 12-speed transmission. This truck uses a very maneuverable 185-inch wheelbase, has 285 rear-end gears, and an AG380 rear suspension. Inside, you'll find Kenworth's great interior and their smart wheel setup that'll control the Bluetooth radio. Right next to the wheel, you have your transmission and engine brake controls, all within easy reach of your fingertips. If you're looking for the world's best day cab tractor, then you found the right place. Call us today for more information about this great truck.